Yep. Main Street. Because it's the current in the river, sweetie. The current is the water moving. It moves towards... Hi. Look. Hi.
Hi.
Is the fish still there?
Yep, I think you can see him right there.
Yep, there he is. I am. I'm taking a movie.
I see.
No, not yet. No, not yet. Well, maybe he's taking a break.